How healthy is butter really? Butter can be part of a healthy diet in moderation, but its health impact largely depends on the context in which it is consumed and the individual's overall diet and health profile. Here are some pros of butter. 1. Rich in nutrients. Butter contains fat-soluble vitamins like vitamins D, E, and K. It's also a source of butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid that may support gut health and reduce inflammation. 2. Conjugated linoleic acid (CLA). Grass-fed butter is higher in CLA, which some studies suggest may have anti-cancer and fat-burning properties. 3. Flavor enhancer. Due to its rich taste, butter can help enhance the flavor of healthy foods, making it easier to incorporate nutrient-dense vegetables and whole grains into meals. Cons of butter consumption include 1. High in saturated fat. Butter is about 50% saturated fat, which has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease when consumed in excess. However, recent research has questioned the strength of the link between saturated fat and heart disease, and it may depend on the type of saturated fat and the overall dietary pattern. 2. Calorie dense. Butter is calorie dense, which means even small amounts can contribute significantly to your daily calorie intake. Overconsumption can lead to weight gain. 3. Cholesterol content. Butter contains dietary cholesterol, though current research suggests that for most people, dietary cholesterol has a smaller effect on blood cholesterol levels than once thought. Conclusion: in moderation, butter can be part of a healthy diet, especially when sourced from grass-fed cows. However, it should be balanced with unsaturated fats from sources like olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish for a more heart-healthy fat intake. As with any food, the key is moderation and considering your individual health needs.